Luke duking it back there? Right across the hood. Yeehaw!
Alrighty.
Try to row really hard.
I'll try to row really hard.
I mean,
Push up!
whatever it's called.
Aim for the end.
All right, take it away. Ooh.
Hit. Hit. Watch your diagonal. Keep time. We did what?
Oh, yeah.
We might.
I was surprised this morning that we had.
Do we need a switch?
We had like extra people.
I can't. I mean, I could try.
This is a recipe for disaster.
I know. I'll be on the opposite side. What? I won't. Much.
Just once.
Uh-huh.
No handstands.
All right. Let's pull a Kirby.
Am I blocking you?
No, you're good.
Right arms up high. Dig. Long. Hard. Deep. Slow. Long. Hard. Deep. Power 5 now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now reach it out. Long. Hard. Deep. Go. Long, hard, deep. Go! Knuckles in the water. Paddles close to the boat. Reach forward with each stroke. Look at your partners on every set. Long, not your diagonal.
The fourth boat is just leaving the docks, it seems.
Well, just sit out back.
What's that?
Just sit, hang out back.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go up here, take a sharp left. Alright, let it run!
Let it run, run!
Hands up in the air. Another space to show. Face the shore.
There's no shore. We need to go that way some further. We're rocking the boat. Yeah, hold. for yellow, I think, right? Yeah. Yeah, it'll come up. Whatever the second one is, once we get up there, just aim for it.
Paddle forward, please. Boat 2 forward, and if you can come toward boat 1.
Right side drop.
Right side drop. Hold. Good. Right side drop.
That's enough. Stop.
Ready.
Boat 2 and 3, 2 strokes forward.
Give me a lily dip.
And hold. Alright, paddlers, prepare to start.
Go Knuckles.
Go nuts! Attention, please.
Go! Take it away! Move! Let it run!
My lungs have an ouchie.
Take it away!
It's closed. My teeth are full. We were. You think?
Really? I thought the...
They got the flexors.
Ah, darn it.
It was close. Too close to
They're more titanium than sinew.
They put their ringers on.
I know.
Kind of like it.
I know, they seem to keep on crowding us. I don't know. Like, I was going straight for the flag and they kept on coming into us. That's our neighbors, right? I think the... Oh, I guess they both have blue, so I don't even know. I think the blind...
Next to us. Yeah, really.
Oh, the blind team was next to us?
I don't mean shit. You don't need guys for this. They bred on our weakness. I only said mommy twice.
Woo. Yeah.
Don't stop.
That is.
Last time I stopped, Pat yelled at me.
Nice and easy. Take it away.
Just take it nice and easy.
Trying not to get yelled by the standard.
I'm looking at you, Joe.
Are you doing my rowing technique?
You're gonna be some good critiquing later.
Some one-on-one time.
Yeah. We got it on video.
Gotta get it on the tape.
I don't know if it's on video.
Yellow was that yellow flag was a little sticky.
Is it sticky? Oh. Let it run. Yeah, hold the boat. Well, no, they don't need to hold it yet. We'll get there.
I think that's the one that got hit a lot.
It's a little sticky.
All right, left side hold. Bumpers out. Oh, you got the bumpers. Let it run. Oh, we'll get there. All right, walk it forward. Hold.